I'm super excited to introduce you all to our new $100,000 apartment in Ghana.
So we in the MPP to now we are going to learn how to insult in Ghana. WODE MAYA, we love you. We love WODE MAYA so much. He's one that all of us who are content creators look up to. Young, when I heard his age, I was like, whoa. And he's quite wealthy. Good guy, good pocket. I don't have an issue with WODE MAYA's affinity for NDC. And anyone who has followed WODE MAYA knows that this guy has not been fair to MPP. He has not. In fact, he even went to the extent that it was degenerating into even tribal lines. I don't want to talk about those. But WODE MAYA, are you in this country? Are you seeing all the things happening? And you don't have anything to say about it, WODE MAYA? You do not have anything to say about it. WODE MAYA is quiet. Everything is going on smoothly. Everything is well with our nation, with our democracy, with our finances. WODE MAYA, you are quiet. Stephanie says everyone is quiet. Yes, but WODE MAYA is quiet. Silence is too loud. Now, WODE MAYA, we are all trying to fight against the dollarization of our economy. Then also, your government, NDC government, is telling us that pricing of things in dollars is why the dollar has always been doing better than the cedi. That we should all stop dollarizing our economy. Osama say, I hate the person who I hate the person who introduced the idea of OSP. Abutre. And WODE MAYA, they said we should stop quoting things in dollars. Every now and then, you on Facebook, we just bought an apartment of $100,000. We just got this Airbnb for $5,000. WODE MAYA, you are not, that is not being a citizen. You were calling for equity, so you must have clean hands with WODE MAYA. WODE MAYA, you must have clean hands. You see, these 4 years in opposition, hey, all of you, we are going to hold you per whatever you said. Odunga says that you are doing a great job, voice. God bless you. Amen. Blessings on my head. Amen. WODE MAYA, today, you are on Facebook. Say you and your wife have bought accommodation for $100,000. That is what we are fighting against. We say no more quoting figures in dollars in Ghana. Our currency is Ghana cedi Otong. WODE MAYA, when you go to Burkina Faso, you went to Burkina Faso that to go and report on Ibrahim Traore. Were you reporting figures in dollars? It's not the CFA. So our currency is cedi. Stop quoting dollars. All of you, you know very much well that you are not saints. But you what didn't you say about Bawumia? What didn't you say about Akufo-Addo? Not once did you see anything good about their governance. Not once. NPP government brought some of the novel ideas in this world. Drone delivery of medication. Others. These are things that we have not witnessed before in the world. You guys didn't see it fit to report on. But anything negative, you people were always the first. Now your government has come and you are not helping your government to succeed. Help your own government, your own Kwen government, your own Aban government. No? Help it to succeed. They are saying do not quote figures in dollars, WODE MAYA. Don't. And we will help you not to. We will keep reminding you. If you block us, we also have the followers on TikTok. Mr. Followers did you on TikTok. We are getting to 200,000 followers. So we come and say it on TikTok. You will hear the truth. All of you who were claiming to be neutrals, now we've seen you are not neutrals. You are all going to hear the hard and the bitter truth. And now that the Supreme Court of Ghana has made all of us understand, say, insult is a normal thing. Hey, prepare for insults. I'm going to learn correct Ghana insults because I've seen that the 3 insults are not so sweet. Our national president Obiabeko Mubi. Yeah. I've seen that the 3 insults are not so sweet. So we are all going to learn Ghana. Onugan, Gan insult. Say, those kind of insults. That's what I go to learn. Because it has been, the go-ahead has been given to all of us to insult. So please, if you are a patriot, start learning some Gan. You need to learn your Gan, sharpen your Gan, learn how to insult in Gan, and Namu and those things. I began learning. Sorry to my viewers, but I'm just telling you that I began learning the Gan, how to insult in Gan, which is the way to survive and the way to thrive in this country currently. That is what NDC taught us, and Ghanaians have taught us that the party that is good in insulting, that is the party that they will vote for. That's what Ghanaians have taught us. Mr. Taylor, I can go ahead with the insults in Ghana. Ghanaians have showed us that the party that is good at insulting, that is the party they will vote for to come into power. So we in the MPP now we are going to learn how to insult in Ghana. Hey, babie. Hey, onye duna. Then we will add it to our communication, because that is what is sweet in the ears of Ghanaians. So WODE MAYA, we are watching you. Oh, thanks to all those gifting. We are watching you, WODE MAYA. Until you stop. Odum just says, hey, yes. You say, oh, yeah, do now, baby, and then you just say the thing in Ghana, because the tree insult is not sweeting any longer. A tree insult, then what insult do we even have in tree? I think we don't even have any sweet insult in tree. But who can cafe bulona, cafe bulona, and those ones are the nice one. We say amenyeme. Which one is that one to? I don't know. MPP4. But we are all going to learn it. The guy insults. So that is about that. So we are watching WODE MAYA. We will keep all of them, we will hold all of them accountable. Okay. Finally, you will come soon. Okay. You can start sending your requests. Please time me from here. 6 minutes. Come in. We said them are modest. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I said we say here fefle. I'm learning it very soon. Hey, you people go over you. We are all going to dirty ourselves. So we will dirty ourselves, Ankasa, Ghana. We dirty ourselves. I mean, that's what Ghanaians like. So we will all do it. Now let's go finally. Or before I go to the final one, guess what? Another fake professor has been caught. Yeah, and this is what by Papa Maha Kwen government. The Central Regional Chairman of the NDC has been using the title professor. So now